Secret Garden by Claudia Tremblay in 50 by 50 cm rounds special treatment now adds magenta crystals that we have placed on the red flower on her hair, together with some of the other red flowers on the picture. So we've got one over here as well as here. Aside from that, we've also placed dark forest crystals that we now see around her mask. So you can sprinkle it if you'd like on the black areas of the mask, or like what I've done here is basically randomly sprinkle it on the gold areas of the mask, together with sprinkling it on some of this area for the key of the door. So once again, for Secret Garden version 3, you have labradorite, sapphire diamonds, magenta, and dark forest crystals.